and I'm going to push this back. So if you don't know how to make a proper omelette, you can't say you don't learn something from Linden now. Alright, so this is the time you need to hit that subscribe button. And we're going to push him back. We're going to take him off the fire, push him back. Okay, you know some people make the omelette, and then when you look on the omelette, the bottom of it just burn. No, I don't want mine to burn. We're going to push this back. You seen that? So all these little bits of egg, what's inside it. You notice I haven't flipped the omelette yet. That's how you'd make a perfect omelette. We're just going to play with him like this. Alright? The heat that's in the pot, it's called carryover cooking. I'm spreading these, and then, you seen that? That's how you make the perfect omelette.